Hello students, this is Harish. Right now I am teaching physics. So for the class 10th, we have 5 chapters in physics, that is light, reflection and refraction. Then we have human eye and its colorful world. Later electricity, then magnetic effects of electric current and sources of energy. These are the 5 chapters. So let me start with straight away the first chapter, that is light, reflection and refraction, with an introduction to the optics. Okay. Now as you can see, this is the optics, in which we have the first chapter, that is light. In that we have reflection and refraction. Let us know what exactly is optics. Optics is a branch of physics that deals with nature and properties of light. So when we speak of nature and properties of light, there are many sources of light, as well as there are many properties or characteristics related with the light. Now, what exactly is light? Light is a form of energy which produces sensation of sight. Sight, which means related to eye. So whenever we see this light, it produces certain sensation to our eye, wherein which the light rays falls on the eye and we get the sensation. So it produces a sensation of sight. As well as light is also a form of communication, right? Because with the light energy we can even communicate, or it is a medium of communication, just like how we can have the material medium like air. Similarly, light can also be used to transmit or the messages or the information from one place to another place. So in that way we can also say that light is also a form of communication. Now, what are the few basics or the terminologies related to light means? First we have source. Source means what? Where exactly it gets originated. So the object from which the light is given out. Source is something, an object from which the light is given out. For example, we can take sun. Right? Then self-luminous. Okay, luminous means again related to light, which is self. Object which possesses light of its own, means it will give the light of its own. As I told the example of sun, the same thing holds good for self-luminous. Then non-luminous. Object which receives light from external source and scatter to its surroundings, which means this particular object will receive the light from the self-luminous objects. Later it will reflect or it will scatter the light to its external surroundings. So these are the 3 terminologies, that is source, self-luminous and non-luminous. Thank you.